The KHADC today launched various books which are based on research papers regarding the culture and history of Khasi Hills. These books will help in codifying various laws which are brought forward by the District Council. An amount of Rs 50 lakhs was sanctioned by the state government. Speaking on the occasion as a chief guest, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said that it is a very kind of research program done by the CM of the KHADC, which is promoting idea and research of our culture knowledge within our society. And he further added that such research should also be done by the JHADC and GHADC.
And I want to put on record the leadership, the vision that the Honorable CEM has brought not just to this program and to the research area, but to the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council as a whole.
And now for the weather report. First,